Hey everyone, welcome to the Neurospicy Mama. My name's Amanda, and this is a product review and food channel. I don't know about you, but I have been seeing a lint remover that has kind of been going viral on TikTok, but I just don't really want to use the TikTok shop. I know a lot of people do, it's probably fine, but I just wanted to try out one that was on Amazon. So the one that's going viral on TikTok, people are absolutely loving it, and I'm pretty sure it's the same company. This looks exactly like the TikTok shop one. So I will link this. Okay, this is a blind review. I have not tried it yet. I wanted to experience it firsthand with you and give you a reaction that is honest. So the box is really simple. This one's Q20. There's a bunch of them on Amazon. I will link this exact one down in the description box if it's a good one and if we end up recommending it by the end of the video. In the box, it comes with this handheld lint remover, and it comes in black, pink, white, and I got this like dark purple color. Also in the box is a little brush to clean the blades and a charging cord, but not a brick. This particular model has 6 blades, and it collects the lint right here in this little holder space right in there. That's where it's supposed to collect the lint. And then on the back, there's just one simple button, and it has 3 speeds. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. It's pretty close to my mic right here, so you can hear how loud it is. There's 1 speed, 2 speed, and 3 speed, and you push it one more time and it turns off. The number kind of flickered as you saw on there. Out of the box, it had 81% charge, and then I charged it up a little bit more before I started this video. One of the main reasons why I wanted to get this is because my cats have been scratching my couch. There's some pretty long fibers here, so I'm worried it's gonna get caught up in these, but I'm gonna try it before I trim these short. I can always cut these shorter with scissors first, but I'm gonna see what it does and see if it can get some of these bumps that I think you can see on the camera. So I'm gonna start it out on just power 1 on these short bumps and see what we get. Okay. Level 1 is not doing that much. Let's knock it up. I'm going to move you in a little bit closer to level 2. Okay, level 2 is still not doing much. Oh, actually, this actually kind of came open a little bit while I was holding it, and you can see some lint did come out. So it is getting something. I haven't got on those big, it's not getting the really big lint bumps, but maybe go over it real slow. If I go over it real slow, it is. Yeah, it's working. It's not super fast, like I'm having to go over it multiple times. Let's try these long strands. Okay, for the long strands, it's not getting caught up, which was my worry. I thought it would pool. So that's not happening, so that's good. Oh gosh. Okay, so far one thing that I do not like about this particular model is that this thing slides open too easily. So as I'm trying to rub it up and down on my couch, it's popping open. But as you can see, it is catching a bunch of lint. So that is good. This looks like there's little holes in the back here. So it looks like it's only about that full of lint right now. Okay, so I spent just a few more minutes, like maybe 3, going over this area, and it is now so much better. It's like now you can see it's not showing pilly things sticking up. I'm actually really impressed with it, and now that I was aware that this thing opens so easily, I just held it a little bit different, but look how much fuzz it collected. So collected, so here's the little brush that it came with. So you can use that to kind of pull it out. And that's how much fuzz I got off my couch. And then also wanted to show you, this unscrews So you can use the brush to kind of like clean out from the bristles occasionally. Okay, now I'm gonna go get a sweater and see how it works on clothing. Okay, now I'm gonna see how it works on this sweater. I'm not sure, hopefully it's showing up the pills. And then I've got, again, a string right here. I'm gonna start again on low because this is fabric and not a couch. So I think this, I'm gonna need to cut it, the string. I'm gonna go up a speed. There's a bunch over here in this area. Yeah, this is working really well. I'll show you the lint chamber when I'm done. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this string right, oh, it's off the camera. This string right here, oh no, it came up. I don't know if this is showing up on the camera, but in person, it's making the sweater look so much better. All right, let's look at the lint control. Look at that, it's full. Yeah, it got a lot. This, I am very pleased with this. My initial reaction is very pleased. I was going in on this wider weave, because I forgot to show that. And it works great on this wider weave too. No problem. I also want to talk about the safety of this. I wouldn't put it up to my lip, but just holding my fingers on it, it kind of has like a little tickle feeling. I'm going to turn it up to 3. I can feel, it's like a kind of tickly feeling. Like I said, I would not put it up to my lips or anything, but I would say it's pretty safe. Like, it just kind of feels, like I said, yeah, tickly. As many of you know, I'm autistic. I really like to do very, very thorough reviews and look at every single aspect of a product. This product is pretty darn simple, so video isn't that long. It's very lightweight. It's super easy to use. I am very impressed with the results of my couch. I am glad I bought this product, and I definitely recommend it as a, first time. Obviously, I don't know the longevity of the product, but for its price, I'm very, very pleased with it. I will have the link down below in the description box. So, thank you. Oh yeah, one last thing. If you use the link, it does give me like a couple of pennies. And even if you don't end up buying this product, when you use my link and you buy some other product off Amazon, I still get credit for that. So thank you for using my links.